If you want to collaborate on Base44, this quick tutorial will walk you through the exact steps. Whether you're working with a teammate, client, or developer, Base44 makes it easy to invite others into your project and assign the right level of access. And if you find this helpful, please hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, open your Base44 project. Once you're inside the project, look for the dashboard and click on it. This is where you'll find the collaboration and team management options. After that, find the Send Invite section. This is the part that lets you add someone new to your project. In the invitation field, type the email address of the collaborator you want to invite. Make sure the email is correct because that's where the invitation will be sent. Next, choose their role from the drop-down menu. Base44 usually gives you role options so you can decide whether they should have full access, editing access, or a more limited role depending on what they need to do. Picking the right role is important for keeping your project organized and secure. Once the email address and role are selected, click Send Invitation. That's it. Base44 will send the invite to your collaborator and they can join your project from there. So to recap, open the project, click Dashboard, Send Invites, enter the collaborator's email, choose their role, and click Send Invitation. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Base44 tutorials and quick step-by-step guides.